In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to apply coupon code at SHEIN checkout. Let's get started. First, launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, while you are on the home page, select the item that you want to purchase, select the size and color, add it to the cart. Then you can navigate to the cart page. Click on the cart icon. Once you're over here, you're going to find all the items that you have selected for purchase. Check in for the items that you want to purchase right away. Now, fill this. Go ahead and provide your shipping details. Then click on next. You'll be directed to this page. Now here, scrolling down, you're going to find the option of apply coupon. Click on that. In case you have available coupon, it will be automatically applied. Likewise, you are also able to manually apply the coupon code. Type in the coupon code that you want to apply to this purchase over here and click on apply. The coupon code will be applied. So this way you can easily apply coupon code at SHEIN checkout. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.